Let's use the sum to product formula to rewrite sine of 3 theta plus sine of 1 theta as a product. So I've listed out all the different sum to product or difference to product formulas that we have going on here on the right-hand side. Because ours goes sine of something plus sine of something, that's going to be this top version. And as we get into this, I'm going to identify that we're going to use 3 theta as our alpha and 1 theta as our beta to fill into this formula. So our original can be rewritten as 2 sine of alpha plus beta. So remember we said 3 theta plus 1 theta all over 2, multiplied by cosine of alpha minus beta. So alpha 3 theta minus our beta, which is theta in our case, all over 2. All right, from here, it's just a matter of reducing down, really. So don't overcomplicate this. I'll take it one step at a time as we go through it, but I'll bring along the 2 and the sine. Our numerator will combine together. We have 3 thetas plus another theta makes 4 thetas, still all over 2, multiplied by the cosine of 3 thetas minus a theta, only leaves us with 2 thetas as we combine those together. And lastly, we can go ahead and reduce down what's still inside these trigonometric functions. We can say 4 theta divided by 2 is going to be 2 thetas, multiplied by cosine of 2 theta over 2 is equivalent to just being theta. And that's where we can leave it. This 2 from the outside will not come to the inside of these functions. You can't say, bring it in here with this 2 theta or with this theta. It remains on the outside, and that'll be our final answer. Hope this helps out as you're working on sum to product formulas and getting used to them. Good luck.